back to my channel, guys. How are you all doing? I hope everyone's doing great. And this is Reward Crypt, and you're watching my YouTube channel. So today I'll be covering some good topics, which is about reversal candlestick patterns and candlestick patterns. In this video, I'll be discussing candlesticks and what these candlesticks mean and what do they indicate. So first of all, coming to these simple candlestick patterns. So this one is called bullish candlestick pattern, and so this one is called bullish candlestick, and this one is called bearish candlestick. So by bullish candlestick, it's normally represented as green, and the bearish is represented as red in TradingView and most trading exchanges. So this bullish candlestick indicates that the price opened from here and went all above here. So when it forms, this is generally called the body, and these are called wicks. So when a bullish candlestick forms a wick at upper side, it's just that the candlestick went all the way above here, and from there it went back and closed its position. And when it forms a wick at lower side, it means that the price dropped all the way here, and then it manages to go up and close here. So this is what by bullish candlestick we mean, and now I hope you know what the wicks indicates. And coming to the bearish candlesticks, it shows that it opened from here and went all the way back down to here. The wick at the bearish candlestick means that it is the lowest price it went to, and the highest price means that this upper wick means that the price opened here, managed to go up, and then rejected this level and went all the way back down here. So this is what bullish and bearish candlestick means. Now let's move to the candlestick patterns that I'll be discussing today. So guys, moving to the candlesticks that I'll be preparing and covering today is no other than Doji candlesticks. So we've got types of Doji candlesticks. The first one is called Doji star. The second one is called long legged Doji. This one is dragonfly Doji. And the other one is called gravestone Doji. And this one is four price Doji. Because they are named differently just because of their shapes and the wicks or sizes they form. So basically, what is Doji candlestick? So Doji, all these type of Doji candlesticks, it represents the equilibrium between supply and demand zone. What does it do? It just shows the equilibrium between supply and demand zone. It's basically a tug of war that neither the bulls nor bears are winning. In case of uptrends, right? If the bulls have won by previous battles, because what happened? The price went up. And in case of downtrends, the bears won the situation because price went all the way down. So first of all, let's just discuss Doji star. What is Doji star candle? Doji star is just represented as upper wick, lower wick, and the price closed between 50% of these both wicks. So a Doji candles, what does this star Doji do? Doji star just show that the price may reverse when it is followed by a bearish engulfing candlestick or a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Now we have a long leg Doji. A long leg Doji is a more dramatic candle. It says that the price moved far higher on the day, but then the taking profit kicked in, right? The price went above, taking profit kicked in, and typically a very large shadow is left upside. Because why does it happen? It just happens because the bulls were trying to move the market upward, but then bears came in and pushed the price here above like 60 to 40% or 40 to 60%. The other one we have is called the dragonfly Doji, and dragonfly Doji represents that when the price opened, right? The price opened here, but when buyers came in, when sellers came in, the price went all the way down up, but then again it managed to close where it was opened. And the gravestone Doji is just reverse of it. The candlestick opened from here, managed to go up above here, and then when the sellers came in, the price just went down where it was opened. Now we have this 4 price doji. What does this 4 price doji say? It's just that it's a normal doji, opened from here, went above, then again came down and closed where it was opened. So, but it does not really show big long candles, so that's why it's called 4 price doji. So now let me adjust my screen first. So yeah guys, as you can see, we have a great downtrend here, down market, and here's when a bullish long leg doji came in, followed by a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So it just indicates that the market might reverse from up above here, and as you can see that the candle closed above this wick, so that's why it's called a successful reversal, and the price will just move up above here. Now let's go to another slide where I'll show you what happens in the uptrend market when doji appears. The market was in a very good up direction, and a long leg doji appeared, followed by a big bullish bearish engulfing candlestick here, which was closed below this wick. So it represents a successful reversal from here. Now let's just move to some support zones. It's my favorite zones and favorite thing to trade, because I just trade support and resistance zones, or just a price action. So for me, I really look to doji candles when it comes at support or resistance zone. Like you can see, it's the really nice support zone here where the price rejected once, twice and thrice, and now it's trying to reject from here. But here a doji came in, and which was followed by a green candle. Like as you can see, here's another candle. Here it's another candle, but it was not closed above this wick, so we should not enter here right as we see this doji, because what will happen if it just reverses from here? So wait for another candle, as these both candles were followed by a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, and was closed above these wicks. So we had a confirmation that the price just reversed. So you could enter here or here. And for the take profit, you can just adjust the take profit at next resistance zone level. From here, the price rejected twice from here, so this should be your first TP, it should be your second TP. And for stop loss, you can adjust your stop losses below the support zone. Now look at this clean example. It's a good uptrend. Doji came in, followed by a bearish candlestick pattern, and the next candle was closed below these both lows, right? So this is where I will enter the trade if I see this situation, and just enter and then forget it, because I'm gonna make so much profit if I trade these type of situations. Now guys, let me first charge my laptop because it's on power saving mode right now, and then I'll be back. Okay, so welcome back guys, and now I'm here with some more examples of doji candlesticks. Like you can see, the market went up, a doji candlestick appeared, followed by a bearish engulfing candlestick, and then the reversal started. So this is just a basic example of doji reversal. Here is another example of these doji candlestick reversals, and guys, let me tell you, this is my favorite one. I always trade reversals at support or resistance zone. Now you can see it's a perfect support zone here, and the first rejection came, right? And it went all the way at resistance level. At here it consolidated for a bit until doji appeared, followed by a bullish engulfing candlestick. So what you can do is that you can open trade here and just set your TP at the support zone and forget it, because it's really gonna hit your take profit, because trading support and resistance is the most easy one and the most effective one for trades. And now you can see here what happened. The price touched this support zone, and most likely it's gonna reverse from here too, and just set the hit the resistance level again. So why not take the chance and trade again here, right? So as you can see, the price went all the way back down, and it's followed by a long legged doji. It's not doji here because it just looks like a hammer to me, but still it's also a reversal candlestick, so I thought I will share this with you too. Now you see this candle is not a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, but still it managed to close above this wick, above the swing high, so it should be our entry point. And our stop loss, like they selected their stop loss below the swings low, but what I would recommend that just set your stop losses here and make your entry at support zone, because it's most likely gonna reverse from here. And what happens at support, at resistance zone, that is the support, this is resistance. When the price first touch the resistance, like the first touch, it's not gonna break directly through it, it's gonna respect that resistance and come to support level. Again, it touched the support once, it's not gonna break it, it will go above again, above down here. And when it wants to break the resistance, it will just consolidate at the resistance level before it breaks it. So when the consolidation starts, you should know that, yeah, a breaking is coming and we should enter long or we should enter short, whatever you want. So when the first support and resistance it hit, just open your long and short positions accordingly, because it's going to respect that support and resistance zone, and your take profits will be hit accordingly. So here you just see that it's also reversing from here. So what I expect is that there will be another candle which will be bearish engulfing candlestick, and again our again our support resistance support zone will be hit and make us some good profit. Now it's another example of a forex chart. It's euro versus US dollar, but still it's a good chart, so why not share it. As you can see, it's a resistance zone here, and the trend was really good uptrend. Also it was reversed from support level and followed a good uptrend, and here a long leg doji came, followed by bearish engulfing candlestick which was closed below this swing high, so it should be your entry and the take profit should be at support level. That's it guys, it's just easy as this. Like here you can see that it's just repeating itself again and again, right? So, and if you want to enter a trade in the short position, just set your stop loss below the above the swing high, and for long positions just set it below the swing high. That's it guys, it's just, yeah, it's my chart. I just made it and sent it into my Discord, and that's what happened, right? So you can see here it's my live chart, right? And a doji came in, right? But it was not respected that much, and if someone entered short here, the price really went down. But what happened guys, if your stop losses was above this swing high, it would get hit here. So it's just a 15-minute time frame chart, and I sent it if someone wanted to scalp the opportunities. I said that if it breaks this trend line and the retest pass, just enter long, but it was a false breakout. So that's it guys for today. I hope you understand the levels and double doji. It's a I haven't discussed it. Double doji, yeah, double doji is just as when two dojis appear at the same time. It's a gravestone doji, not a gravestone doji, it's a star doji followed by a long leg doji, and when double doji come in, it just indicates a strong reversal signal. So that's what it is. I hope you understand all the topics clearly about doji and the reversals. Also, I just discussed some short points of support and resistance, and I hope you get to know it. And guys, if you are really new to trading, just follow my YouTube channel, subscribe to it, and turn on your notifications, because I'll be uploading more videos like this. And here is my Twitter if you want to follow. I post like my analysis in my Twitter, and it's mostly true 90% of the time. So make sure, like I posted this, that if it breaks this trend line, and see, it was just in 15-minute time frame, price close here and retested that level, rejected, made a double bottom, and again went all the way down. So it was an easy 80% profit with 20x. So I just post charts like this here. So make sure to follow my Twitter and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and feel free to join Discord or comment down any question you have about trading. Allah Hafiz guys.